In today's business world, informed decisions are essential. Companies now rely on fiscal data, sales figures, profit margins, and key metrics to guide their strategies. With advanced tools, businesses of all sizes can track financial details once reserved for large corporations. This empowers companies to understand their financial health, identify opportunities, and make data-driven decisions. Leveraging fiscal data is now a necessity for success. Let's explore how it transforms business results. Planning is the first step in leveraging fiscal data to drive business success. Effective planning requires setting clear financial goals and identifying the key metrics that will help track progress toward these goals. For many businesses, this means establishing a budget, forecasting future revenues and expenses, and determining the financial health of the company. One company that exemplified successful planning with data is TechCo, a mid-sized technology firm. Faced with declining sales, TechCo decided to revamp its financial planning process. They began by collecting detailed sales data over the past years, identifying trends and seasonal patterns. By understanding these patterns, TechCo was able to forecast more accurately and set realistic revenue targets for the upcoming year. TechCo's new planning approach also involved a comprehensive analysis of their operating expenses. They identified areas where costs could be reduced without compromising quality. For instance, TechCo renegotiated contracts with suppliers and streamlined their logistics operations. This data-driven planning not only stabilized their finances, but also positioned them for future growth. The success of TechCo highlights the importance of meticulous planning using fiscal data. By setting clear objectives and using data to inform their decisions, businesses can create a solid foundation for success. Planning with data ensures that companies are not just reacting to financial challenges, but proactively navigating them. Once a plan is in place, tracking progress becomes essential. Monitoring financial performance against set goals allows businesses to identify deviations and make necessary adjustments promptly. This stage involves regular collection and analysis of fiscal data to ensure that the strategy is on track. Retail Co., a growing retail chain, provides an excellent example of effective progress tracking. After setting ambitious growth targets, Retail Co. implemented a real-time financial tracking system. This system provided up-to-date insights into sales performance, inventory levels, and customer preferences. With these insights, Retail Co. could track progress daily and adjust strategies quickly when needed. Through continuous monitoring, Retail Co. discovered that certain stores were underperforming due to high operational costs. By analyzing the data, they identified inefficiencies in staffing and supply chain processes. Retail Co. made data-driven decisions to reallocate resources and optimize operations, resulting in improved profitability across their stores. Retail Co.'s experience underscores the importance of tracking progress using fiscal data. Regular monitoring allows businesses to remain agile and responsive to market changes. By keeping a close watch on financial metrics, companies can ensure that they stay on course to achieve their strategic goals. After collecting and tracking fiscal data, the next critical step is interpreting the results. Making sense of financial data can be challenging, especially for those new to it. However, understanding what the numbers mean is vital for making informed business decisions. Food Corp, a family-run food manufacturing business, illustrates how interpreting data can lead to significant improvements. Initially overwhelmed by their financial reports, Food Corp sought the help of a financial analyst. Together, they broke down the data into understandable insights. They discovered that while overall sales were increasing, profit margins were shrinking due to rising production costs. Armed with this insight, Food Corp took corrective action. They reviewed their production processes and identified cost-saving opportunities, such as investing in energy-efficient equipment. By understanding their financial data, Food Corp was able to enhance profitability while continuing to grow sales. Food Corp's story highlights the importance of not just collecting data, but also understanding it. Interpreting fiscal results can reveal hidden opportunities and potential risks. Businesses that invest time in understanding their numbers are better equipped to make strategic decisions that drive success. Real-world examples of businesses transforming their fortunes through fiscal data are abundant. These case studies showcase how data-driven insights can lead to better financial performance and competitive advantage. Consider the case of Auto Parts Inc., a large automotive supplier. They used fiscal data to revolutionize their inventory management. By analyzing sales trends and seasonal demand patterns, Auto Parts optimized their stock levels, reducing excess inventory and minimizing stockouts. This not only cut costs, but also improved customer satisfaction and sales. Another success story is that of Fashion Boutique, a small retail business. Facing stiff competition, they turned to fiscal data to refine their pricing strategy. By analyzing competitor prices and customer buying behavior, Fashion Boutique adjusted their pricing model. The result was a significant increase in sales and customer loyalty. These case studies demonstrate the transformative power of fiscal data. By leveraging insights from their financial data, businesses can not only solve immediate problems but also create long-term value. Data-driven decision-making helps companies stay competitive and achieve sustained success. The impact of data-driven insights on financial outcomes cannot be overstated. Companies that embrace fiscal data can unlock new opportunities for growth and profitability. By making informed decisions, businesses can optimize operations, reduce costs, and increase revenues. A prime example is Healthcare Solutions, a provider of medical supplies. By analyzing fiscal data, they identified a trend of increasing returns and product defects. This insight prompted a review of their quality control processes, leading to improved product quality and customer satisfaction. As a result, Healthcare Solutions saw a decrease in returns and an increase in repeat customers. Another impact of data-driven insights is the ability to identify and mitigate risks. Finance Tech, a financial services company, used fiscal data to assess the creditworthiness of potential clients more accurately. By doing so, they reduced the risk of loan defaults and improved their overall financial stability. These examples illustrate how fiscal data can drive positive financial outcomes. By leveraging insights from their data, businesses can make strategic decisions that enhance their financial health and position them for future success. Leveraging fiscal data may seem daunting for small and medium businesses, but it's achievable with the right approach. Start small. Focus on key metrics like cash flow and profit margins. Invest in affordable, user-friendly software to track and analyze your data. Seek expert advice when needed to gain valuable insights. Foster a data-driven culture, so informed decisions become part of your strategy. With these tips, small businesses can use fiscal data to drive growth and success.